What's up, guys? I am playing Just Tornadoes 2, and I have 2-1. So this is this part one, I guess. Playing. Let's do some pro. Well, I'll just show you guys the pro. I don't actually know. Oh, that's fine. 83, 97. Wow. This tornado on my probe has got over 100. I can't tell. Was that Dow 6 driving, or was it being took in? That's like interesting. Oh my God! There's a Rax pull. I'm gonna go head back to spawn. That thing is not gonna turn off map. Oh, oh my bad. My freaking bad. That's better. Okay, so in this game, for like a semi-interceptor, there's like that car right there. Black car, not the Dom 3. Obviously not the Dom 3. The like SUV. And it has 4 spikes, so it's called like, here, I'll show you. Semi-interceptors. It's called the Subativ. It's this right here. Deployment time 7 seconds, but it sucks. It only holds up to 135. Compared to the Tiv 1, it sucks. Like, for real. And I have Tiv 1. I'm saving up for Dom 3. I have Dom 2, but it's temporarily disabled. Like, you can look, it's temporarily disabled. Tiv 1 and them have the same threshold. So this is more money than the Dom. It's a black Tiv, and it has like actual spikes like Tiv 2. And it's like, if you go to Dominator, like this one's cheaper, obviously. Well, this one can't even withstand as much as the Tiv 1 that's black. So it's weird. What is that? Oh, that's like that weird car. I'm not the best at this game, but like, you know. Let's test the deployment system. Okay. Perfect. That works. Tell me why people in Roblox have the weirdest names ever. I have to jump because my game is lame. Alright, go. Oh, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna get back in. I don't know why in this game my phone like glitches out weirdly like that. Okay. Sorry if, like... No, look at it. Like, the map is like, see the barrier around it? Like, it's not even like... It's like this barrier around it. Like actual blocks. Okay. Anytime here, this is gonna all change because there is no tornado. What the really? I've never seen this car before. I'm gonna go in my car and I'm not look for that. It's definitely not. We know what these cars are though. Armadillo costs quite a bit. Oh, it's Tornado Panther. Oh. Yeah. I don't know why the Dominator 3 looks weird in this game. Or somebody has a tornado type. Change, bro. Sorry, I just like singing. Cape 900. I'm surprised 933 Cape only got like a yellow TDS tornado. Why are people lying? Actually, oh, sorry, don't mind that. My phone's just low on battery. Wait, is there a tornado? Yep. Well, what is this? Oh, crap. Oh my god, guys, this is gonna be the real standard. We're just gonna have to see what the TIV 1 can do against a TIV 1 versus Dow. I don't know why the Dow 6 in this game is called Drunker on Wheels. Big NATO. A big kind of NATO. Where is this thing headed? Right here. What the man? Fuck. No, bro. Yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna spawn my car. Whoa, no. Fa. Damn it. Fa. Go. Tornadoes right there. Dude, my car despawned on me. Like, I tried to freaking, I'm so itchy, I gotta get in front of it, man. The hell? Oh, it's going like right here. Are you deployed? Okay. Thank you. No! Holy no! No! Car is gone. My car is gone. My car went bye-bye. My car went bye-bye. My car went bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna respawn. My game is lagging. Guys, wait, should I buy? Oh, I gotta get it. Dude, this game sucks. This and that. What should I go for? That one's pink. I'm gonna go for the one that's closest. It's pink. Coconut. So, oh, look at that thing. It's like coming like that. 201. Guys, I'm cooked. Yo, guys, I'm cooked. I should be in the top one. Whoa! That TIF one just went bye-bye. No! No! Stay down. No! He got picked up. No. Dude, I'm so lucky I'm in this part or else I'd be dying. Holy shit. Bro, it's just getting picked up. Like 40 times. I just respawned. I wanted my probe back. Dude, it's crossing right there. Okay, I need to spawn my car quick. Go. Penalty. think there's a penalty. Go, go, go. Pushing. Come on, keep pushing. I'm so itchy. I'm so itchy. I just like singing, guys. Don't worry about me. Okay, I need to get to the other side. Immediately. Whoa! In the book. Shizak. No. How did bro get like a half decent spot? Now deploy. Oh. I'm cooked balls. I'm so cooked balls. I'm so cooked balls. Bro, that Rax pull is not gonna survive. Y'alls, I don't think I'm gonna make it, boy. Oh, sliding, don't go. Oh, you little. Drop down in front of it, please. Oh, you need to stay on the ground to. Fuck! I need a way better car. Oh my god. I'm just getting picked up. Dude, I wish you could. Okay. Guys, that'll be it for